What's up everyone? I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com. Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. Today I will be discussing Viddyoze 2020, the 3D animation and video software that I just bought. This software is a cloud-based suite of templates that you can use to make your videos really standing out. Here is Joey, the developer of the software, and he's going to show you how to make your video stand out in under 2 minutes. And this software is called Viddyoze. And there's lots of animations that you can use to stand out from the crowd. This is a very powerful software. And you can sign up, and they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you find you don't like the product or it's not what you expected to do, you can always ask your money back. So I'm now in the sales page, and more than 100,000 users trust Viddyoze to make their competition cry, as your videos will look different. Let's look at the product. Introducing Viddyoze. Live action animation. Studio grade intros. Click button, stunning social actions. Seamless transitions. Compelling outros and call to actions. Lower thirds. You can put something in the lower third of your video. Movie filters, alpha technology, and much more. When you buy Viddyoze, you're joining a revolution. Video may be the future of marketing, but this is the future of video. Want to hear something crazy and scary? There's over 400 hours of video uploaded in YouTube every minute. These days, just having a video won't make you stand out. So I would suggest sign up today for Viddyoze and stand out above the others. My flashy intro. And now 2 videos, one with animations and one without. So let's look at the following. This one has got animations. So there you have it. This is what Viddyoze is all about, to stand out from the norm. Here I'm in the members area of the software, and I will show you what you can expect if you sign up for this. I've paid and signed up for the personal. On the top left hand corner you will have videos, you will have your templates, you will have tutorials. The university is not available if you didn't sign up for the template club, but the tutorials is more than enough that you can get your information. These last coming soon, and the others are already available. I went through this, and this is really great animation videos showing you what you need to learn and how to do the different things. So here, how to use live animations. So here you can choose, there's quite a lot of choices for you, and then you can see the different animations. It shows you what you can choose, and there's lots of templates for you to choose from. Okay, so as I said, on the top left hand corner of the page you have the templates, tutorials, and let's go into templates. This is easy to use. Once you got the grip of it, you will easily be able to create great videos and logos. In templates, they have quite a lot of different templates and should be off. Otherwise, you get distracted with the wrong template that's not available for you as a single sign up or a personal sign up. But you still have 15 different pages with a lot of templates. I won't think I would ever use all of these that's available. Then if we go through alpha, you will also see there is alpha, and this is where you can add something to your video on the lower third of the screen. So on the lower third of the screen you will add something using alpha. Only for this there are about 18 pages of all of these that you will be able to choose from. So it's more than enough, I would say. The other feature I like is the background. So here we can look at backgrounds that are available. You can choose any background that will fit your colors. You can have intros, you can have live actions. So there's a lot of different choices if it comes to this. And I would agree, you don't need more than this to be successful making your videos stand out. And here you can change the images. Even if you go into, let's say, live action, you must look at this with a different mindset. If it's for hotels or for a camera or for maybe rotor wall painting, something for a scientist, make sure that you don't think of this as this is the only solution, because you can change it and you can make changes and edit to suit you and the colors. You can also decide in which format you want it to be, and the motion of the slide will not be changed. This will stay there, but you can decide which you want to use. You can also decide in which format you want this to be. So you can have an overlay. It could be something old movie. It could be some petals falling, limelight. This is like a background, clear background screen. Here you can choose a square, and this is what you will use on Facebook or Instagram or even Pinterest, where you need square pictures. Landscape is the normal one that we always use in our PowerPoint presentations. Portrait, and this is the one that we can also use when we want it to stand out on our mobile phone. Template club per month. $37 don't sound a lot, but if I don't need this, why will I subscribe and pay $37 a month? If you want the Temple Club annual, you will pay $347 per year. I don't think I need this 15,000 templates and 50 new templates every month, unlimited renders, multiple audio options. If I have a big business and I'm working as a corporate member making videos for others, maybe then this will be for me. Otherwise, I don't need this. Let's look. Now, seeing that the Black Friday sale is over and the different prices are over, it's definitely more expensive. But I bought the personal videos, personal. You get the world's automated video animation software, include all features. You get jaw-dropping live action, video engine including all features, maximum 30 renders per month, which I think is a lot. It's one each day if you are making videos daily. Unlimited usage right on personal videos, 170 professional templates, which I think is more than enough to choose from. 30-day money-back guarantee I mentioned in the beginning, and superstar support. And this is what you can get. Now, on Viddyoze commercial, when you are going to make more videos and you need a commercial license, then you can pay only $97 one-time payment, as it's still on a special at the moment. So this was the explanation of Viddyoze. I really hope that you find this as useful as I have, and you will look into this product to make sure this is what you have been waiting for. Remember, this is a good product to use. With Viddyoze, you're joining a good group of people. You will stand out in the crowd using this software. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time on the other side of the screen.